Hey, in this video I'm going to be explaining how to do the floss, like the backpack kid dance, so let's get into it. Watch. You move your hips, you move your arms, you gotta go like right, and then your arm like in behind your back, and you gotta go like this, and then you gotta move your hips as well. So yeah, watch. You gotta go whoop, whoop. You gotta put your left arm halfway, and you gotta put your right arm halfway, and so on and so forth. You know what I'm saying? Like if you do it to a beat, like so you basically do it like that. You go halfway, 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 halfway. There you go. So if you go real slow, you gotta go whoop, whoop. So you basically, you move your hand out and your other one goes behind it. Like behind it. That's the science behind the backpack kid. Now watch. So that is it on how to do the backpack kid dance. So please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below what dance tutorials you want me to do next. Spread the word, share the video, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.